That nigga crazy as hell.
What's going on, you guys? I'm Jarek120 here to teach you a completely impromptu self-working card trick. Don't usually do self-working card tricks too often, but they're always good to have up your sleeve, especially if you are a beginner and you are just looking into performing and trying to get out those initial jitter and nerves. So with this, I'm going to kind of perform it, but it's going to be a tutorial at the same time. I'm using the Alpha Kappa playing cards, my own Disturb Reality playing cards. If you would like one, you can send me a message directly on Instagram at Jarek120 or hit me up on Twitter. Relatively easy to get a hold of, and we will try to get a deck of cards out to you. So with this trick, give the cards to your spectator. It can be a borrowed deck of cards even, and have them shuffle it. So they mix it up. Excuse me, sheesh. You guys are like, whoa, this guy sucks at shuffling. So let me just clean it up just a little bit. Okay, so they shuffle the cards. You give them the cards. You can either tell them to do this yourself or you can do it. You want to put out 3 piles of 3 cards each. So you can do 3, 3, 3. You could do da 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 he 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 3 piles of 3, or you could do 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, or you could do, how many different ways do we need to do it? You can do 2 1 2 euchre style, 2 1 boom. Either way, we got 3 piles of 3 cards. You can have your spectator select which pile they want. It is legitimately free choice. Let's just say they go with the middle pile. So they take this, they're gonna sneak a peek at this card. See that? So we know what it is. We're gonna put these piles together and tell them to put their pile on top. You can have them do this the whole time. You can be in control of the cards. It doesn't quite matter, but if you want to go the mysterious self-working way where the magician does not know what the card is, you're going to tell your spectator to pick up the cards and spell out the first, what the value of their card. So if it's king, K-I-N-G, queen, Q-U-E-E-N. In this case, it was a 7. It's a 7 of diamonds. So tell them to spell out the value of the card. They don't have to say the letters out loud, but for all intents and purposes, let's spell it out loud together. S-E-V-E-N. Once they've done that, you can drop it on there, but they can stay silent to keep it a mystery. Once they've done that, you tell them, all right, it's the second word is of. Your card is the something of something. So O-F, drop it on top. And the last one in this case is diamond, so tell them to spell out the suit. D-I-A-M-O-N-D-S, boom. Now, their card is the 5th card down. So there's a lot of different ways that you can magically make it appear, whether you want to force a 5 upon them, if their name is a 5-letter name, maybe that is it. But a nice little go-to here is the magic word is magic. So with that being said, you can take the cards and tell them, I'm going to spell out the magic word. And believe it or not, it's M-A-G-I-C. And you tell them to pick that card up and take a look at it, and it works with every single card in the deck. Just have them spell it out, and just make sure you drop the cards on for each time that you're spelling something different. And that is just a very easy, self-working, works 100% of the time, borrowed deck of cards. No manipulation or sleight of hand moves. Just get you started in trying to perform your little first piece of magic. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment below, because I will be having a contest at 900,000 subscribers. And again, if you want a Disturb Reality deck of playing cards, I have plenty on hand. Just send me a message directly on Instagram or Twitter at Jarek120. I'm also on Snapchat and Twitch as well, playing Fortnite and other fun games. I got Overwatch. I'm alright at it, I guess. Come back tomorrow for a new daily Street Magic video. Come back next week for a new tutorial. I'm Jarek120. This is Disturbed Reality, teaching you how to be a magician, not just teaching you magic. Be inspired to learn, aspire to disturb, and always rise above.